Vegan lasagna with an easy crockpot cauliflower bolognese. Say that 5 times fast. Let's go. So in our crockpot, I've got a head of cauliflower, just floretted. I got a red onion chopped. And then to that, we're going to add, I don't know, like 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Do as much as you want. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning, about a quarter of a teaspoon to half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, about a teaspoon of black pepper. Then we're going to add a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and 3/4 of a cup of vegetable broth. We're just going to mix that up and we're going to put that on, I don't know, high for like 4 to 5 hours. You can do it on low for longer. And then when it's done, we're just going to like use a fork. It's going to be so soft. You can't even see because it's in the sauce, but it's like breaking it up. Here, let me show you. And on the side here, it's like breaking it up into like little pieces. So it makes it like meaty, like a riced cauliflower, but like way easier than ricing it. Then, okay, so our bechamel. So we're going to do 6 tablespoons of vegan butter, 3/4 of a cup of flour, and that's going to make our roux. And we're just going to cook that down for like 1 minute to get that flour flavor out. Then we're going to slowly start adding our vegetable broth. It's going to be 2 cups total. We'll do a little bit at a time to kind of break up those chunks, right? And then we're going to add the ras because see how smooth it gets. It's beautiful. And if you know what's coming next, okay? My homemade oat milk. We're going to do about 4 cups of this, 4 to 5 cups. So let's see how we make that.
Show me where to go for me to stick a back, no doubt that I dig. She laid me to rest with the white slip skirt, flirting with an angel that was caught in the surf. The birth of my heart started with the touch and the surf. I dive at first on my earth, submersed in the love divers. Oh, goodnight kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love, listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Hey,
see, no, wasn't that fun? So don't forget to use code Midnight Munchies for 10% off. Link below. So I added some black pepper. I think I might do onion powder and garlic powder next time as well. You could add some salt if you want. So I did my bolognese like yesterday. So that's why it's a little bit thick. But we're going to start assembling. So we're going to add some of this on the bottom so our noodles don't stick and get burned and weird. And then we're going to add our noodles uncooked, another layer of the bolognese, and then our bechamel, and then another layer of nudes, and then another layer of bolognese, and then you guessed it, another layer of our bechamel, and then another layer of nudes, another layer of bolognese, and another layer of bechamel. But just make sure you get all your nudes covered with that bechamel, and then a little vegan mozzarella, a little more Italian seasoning, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, about 45 minutes, and holy titties, you guys, look at this fucking lasagna. It is so amazing. So let's go in for a bite, and it just look, oh my God, look at that bolognese. I am very impressed. I just kept going back for more bites. Full written recipe, midnightmunchiesandmore.com, link below. Subscribe.
oh, goodnight kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love, listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Hey, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Hey, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning.